Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In today's 2-minute tips, I want to give you 2 tips. One on an easy way to label your seed starts, and another way how to manage your lights when you're trying to raise them or lower them and you're changing distances. And the reason being, when you're starting your seeds, you want your lights to be about 2-3 inches above your seed starts. So a lot of times we drop the lights down. Now, if you have a setup like I do, as we come down further, these are a little bit higher. Those lights are the same. These are about 6 inches above, and then these are like 10 inches above. If you don't have all this room, simply put your light up at the highest level, and instead of lowering the light, put something under your seed start. So you would raise the seed start, put some books or wood or whatever you want, raise it closer to the light, and as they grow, take out the pieces of board or whatever and drop your seeds down, your seed starts down. This way you don't have to keep moving the lights and changing the change. Now, changing the chains. You don't have to put labels on everything either. You can set up something on paper. This is top left, bottom right, 001, and then it's 6 cells across the top and bottom. And you just write in, obviously, I'm starting my flowers, what you're starting in there. It's a lot more room for more details. On the container, that's top left, 001, so I have to actually spin it. Bottom right, 001, and then I can just compare this to that, and I know what I'm growing. And I didn't have to buy any kind of labels or anything to go in there, and that's fine. I mean, some people don't want to buy the plastic. The popsicle sticks work, but sometimes the color fades or the writing fades. And when you're trying to put in the flats with your lights being a couple inches above, sometimes they get hooked on the light, they pop off, and you might not know what you're growing. These are 2 simple ways to make seed starting easier. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.